Hello. Spoopy, Easy Boy Rocks. I'm trying to figure out how to make the poll options come out in order. Huh. Maybe I need to look up how to do promise dot all. What is that message? I wonder if I can do this instead. What? Why is it not? This is returning a promise, right? Cannot find name await. Hey, Race. You're learning Java. I've been learning Java too. I learned the other day what a hash table was. And linked lists and list nodes, or linked node lists, linked node list, node list, node list, linked node. I don't know what they're called. I'm getting really confused. Oh, what kind of game do you want to make? Oh, J-frames. for one of my classes, I had to do like a GUI, like a mock-up of a painting app. So you had to like make it so you could draw graphics on the screen. It was actually kind of like annoyingly complicated. And I'm used to like JavaScript where you can like cheat and have global variables. In Java, wow, you just gotta like pass it all around. Okay, let's see if this works. Hello? Oh. Whoops. I did that wrong. Well. Oh, wait. Oh crap. What's that giving me the squigglies? I don't know what this emoji Unicode is. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's see if this works now. No! Unhandled promise rejection. The best language to use for games is C++. Oh yeah, I guess you have like a lot more control over the garbage management, but then it gets like really complicated. It's kind of overwhelming. Oh, I didn't really change the image in the thumbnail, but I'm working on the bot for the Puyo Discord right now. What? I have a... Oh. It's just like the way VS Code is like displaying this. Oh, is it working now? So I did have an apostrophe. Thank you, Rage Man. Okay! Where's number 4? Oh, wait. Question. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, it's appearing in order now. That was an easy fix. I have to say, async await was like the best addition to JavaScript ever. Let's see. What else did I have to work on? Let me look up the to-do list. Oh, so this is just like a, what do you call it, a chill stream? I'm not really doing anything important. So if you guys don't care, bye. Oh, a scheduler. I wonder, I don't actually know how like set timeout works with Node.js. So maybe I'll just like mess around and type some things up. So how is everyone tonight? Are you healthy? How did I do this? Oh. Why are you always complaining? Carriage return. Making the Puyo chain simulator on my own with HTML canvas was a really long process because I had to learn how the sprites work and everything and like positioning them on the sprite sheet. Eventually I got lazy and I like stopped using sprite sheets, but I know that's terrible, so there's a lot I have to rewrite, but like I just don't have the time for it right now. I haven't played Minecraft yet. I wonder if I should try it. What, is there a difference between... this timeout versus that timeout. Program Puyo in it with command blocks. Getting the chains working is actually pretty straightforward, but animating it all sounds hard. Not working. Oh my gosh. Oh, had a capital letter. What's bedrock? I really haven't been keeping up with JavaScript development much lately. I've been doing most of my homework in Python, so I haven't gotten a chance to really keep up with my TypeScript skills. I should stay on top of things. How do you use date objects in JavaScript? Bedrock Minecraft is the C++ version of... Oh, is it better? Hmm. Eh. Okay. Very helpful. Wow, I didn't know getting the date was so difficult. Hmm. Wait, uh... $1,000 minutes. Wait, in 30 seconds. Or 10 seconds. Hmm. Sorry, I'm like learning really basic stuff right now. It's not that interesting. I don't know how to parse date objects in JavaScript. Let's just ignore this part for now. Interesting. Now how do I parse this back to wait. What? What does that mean? What time zone offset is that? Oh. The time zone offset is the number of minutes. Wait. But shouldn't this be positive and negative? What? Oh wait. Wow, that's so confusing. So if I'm GMT plus 5, it's minus 300. If I'm GMT minus 5, it's plus 2. Man. All this stuff is so confusing. Puyos are programmed in Go++. Oh, is that a new programming language? I'm just learning how the date object works because Ninja told me he wanted to make like a scheduler for stuff for the bot, like scheduling timeouts and stuff. First, we don't want to rely on like packages though for date handling. We want to see if we can get this to work with the normal JavaScript implementation. I forgot how you do. Huh? Oh, you work with JavaScript and TypeScript? Oh, I'm just doing some really basic stuff. I'm just learning how to... I never really bothered with a date object and anything I like had to program so far. But now I think it's time I learned, because you want to make it so like you can like time out someone from chat for like maybe like a minute or like a couple days. So what has to happen is like you have to parse the start time, calculate the end time, and store that as a date object to put in the database. Because like I don't know, like the bot goes down in between like the ban period, then like when it comes back up it needs to like check the difference in time again. So we need that. Oh, I was like planning it out how it should work. It's a fun exercise. Get hours. Let me just see like everything I can get. Okay, that's enough. Oh, I thought it would hoist it upwards. Oh, I guess whatever ESLint settings I'm using is expecting this up above. Okay, whatever. Wait, the UTC millisecond value? Yeah, I think internally I'm going to use the millisecond value, but I also have to display it in case like a mod wants to check how much time is left. What is this song? Wow, very descriptive. Should I do 24 hour? Oh wait, will this work? No, I can't just do the modules to 12 because then 12 will never display. Huh. What do I use const for a lot of things? Because of the linter I'm using, like, if you never like redefine the variable, then oh, interesting. Well, like if you never redefine the variable, then like I think the best practice is to just leave it as a const, because I'm never doing anything with this stuff like after I define them. Like I'm not like mutating its value or anything. Okay, it's less complicated if I just leave this alone. I can't do the math in my head right now, I'm tired. Yeah, it will say 0, 0, 0. I'm not sure if I want that behavior. I guess I could do something extra, like... And then AM or PM, right? What's the smartest way to do this? You like how I'm just squashing everything into one line, defeating the purpose of a lot of things? Why am I so stressed out right now? One execution of checking our grid. Okay. Okay, let's say I want to like time out someone for 30 seconds. Can I do if statements? But I love ternary operators and just throwing them everywhere. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to make that pretty looking. I kind of don't care. At least not now. I wish for you. Okay, now you're making me self-conscious about it. I'll fix it. Okay, it works. I just did it if it's less than 10 seconds. Then I'll do that. Okay. I think I mean it's alright. But I think what I have to do next is like some crazy like regular expression stuff, and I don't know if I'm in the mood for that suffering tonight. Maybe I'll just quit for today, because okay, so like I'm expecting someone can do like timeout user whatever, like 12h timeout user like 30 minutes, or like a combination of that. So I have to think about the implementation of this. What, you guys want to be banned? Yeah, splitting it per letter sounds like the right way, but I also need to remember like which letters were used. You can't assume that the first one is our unless the first letter is also H. Wait, this song. You know, I never really listened to the 15th anniversary soundtrack, like the high quality Wii version, because I never played it on Wii. I always played it on DS. Shame that only the DS Puyo games have translations. While making translation patches for the other platforms is like, I don't know, a lot of work. And some of the Puyo games are weird with like their font file, I think. They're like weird full width fonts. And getting that to work with like the variable width fonts of like English, I don't know, you have to be like elite like assembly programmer or something. I have no idea. They had someone with the Puyo Museum who could actually pull that off. So that's why the 28th anniversary patch managed to happen. Wait, no. Maybe the DS version didn't require that, I think, actually. I do know like the 3DS versions and the other high quality versions definitely like have like some craziness with like the fonts and stuff. So yeah, split by letter. And then like I guess I can keep the letters in an array. So I can match which number matched to which like letter. Although I don't know. I know I've only been streaming for like an hour, but I'm tired and I kind of want to quit. I've got to go to class tomorrow at like, well, I have to arrive at school at like 7:30 in the morning. I wonder what else I could like do for coding streams. I guess I need to get back into like working on my spectator assist program and like making it more accurate. I've learned a lot more things in my computer vision class recently, like correlation and like some more of the linear algebra behind it. So maybe I don't know. I guess what I could do is learn how to like do separate threads in Python so they can watch the first and second player boards separately. But then also I need to figure out a better GUI, like a better GUI thingy for Python to display the readings. And then I need to figure out how to package Python programs into an executable, because it's hard. I know that no one else uses my spectator assist program because like no one's gonna sit down and like learn how to use Python just for this. It's too much work. It would be great for the spectator assist to read 10 plus chains to give an actual number. Okay, so it actually does know what the number is. I was just too lazy to make extra graphics for numbers above 10. Okay. Oh my gosh, $24.24. Muffin Man, why? Why would you do this to me? Thank you so much. Goo for gun. What? What do you mean? The larger type Menuza's multipliers are like already like they're already the equation for that's already been solved. So you just like have to type in like the numbers. If you need help, you can always ask on the Puyo Discord. That definitely helps me. Oh my gosh. That helps a lot. Like eating, I haven't been eating properly since like I'm trying to be like cheap. And I haven't gone out to locals much, so it's like I don't really want to pay for gas to drive everywhere in Atlanta. Going places in Atlanta is like expensive. Split. Okay, I'll do what you tell me to do. Cause I was too lazy to Google that for myself. Is that right? Okay, there you go. Wait, what? I don't think this was supposed to happen. Where did my numbers go? Okay, there. So the quirk with with JavaScript is that, like, I think you have to use like the forward slashes to denote regular expression notation, and then I think this was like the reverser, right? Instead of A through Z, it will pick everything that's not A through Z, right? But I want to split on the letters. I'm gonna filter out like you see here how like it has like these like blank ones? I'll just take those out with the filter function. Missing a return type. Really? You're gonna be that demanding? How do I specify the return type? Oh. Oh wait. Here we go. Wow, it's done. Thank you, Asian guy. That helped. Now all I need to do is just match like the letters to like what they mean. The rotation system. Yeah, coding the rotation system is really hard, doing all the physics. Like, I did some crazy stuff just to make the Puyo chain simulator work. Maybe I can find my code somewhere, but it's like it was so crazy. Is this it? Okay, here's the code for like actually doing the rotation. There was like, okay, do you see how ridiculous this is right here? So I think, so this checks the current orientation. So if it's like the axis Puyo is on the bottom, and then like the free Puyo is on top, and you're trying to like wait, you know, here's just like a normal rotation. The above was like double rotations. So this is like how do I explain this? Basically, you can animate circular motions with like sine and cosine functions, right? So what I did was I animated the rotation with like basically it turns 90 degrees over the course of like I think the rotation animation is like what, 4 frames or something, 8 frames. So as like time advances, and then this is like the duration, like 8 frames. So it would step like that like fraction of a degree each frame for a full 90-degree rotation. But then there's also like the collision stuff that like I don't know what I did here. I don't remember. It's been a while. But basically, if it like there's also a collision, like if you're rotating up against the right wall, then not only do you have to animate the rotation, you also have to animate like a pushback, and then also update the state of that too. That's a dummy lengthy amount of code just for spinning. Yo, you have no. This literally took me like 3 whole days of just like struggle. And I don't remember what I did anymore. I think for Tetris, it might be like a lot easier because like, so for Tetris, like Tetris does not have like smooth animations. Like it's very like jumpy, I guess, like, or like snappy. Like for Puyo's, like you see the Puyo spinning gradually through like the full 90 degrees. But for Tetris, it just like snaps to the next rotation state. So I think the difficult part there is trying to implement the SRS rotation system and checking the corners around the piece. That's gonna be hard. But otherwise, like, you don't have to do physics on every single frame like I'm doing here. Because okay, so there's also another thing that took me forever to like fix. So like if you rotate downwards against the floor as the piece is dropping because of gravity, like you have to like figure out the floor kick too. But my problem was that, like, I don't know, if you like did it at spun at a specific time, the piece will just like fall through the ground. That confused me for like days too. I really should convert this all to TypeScript code though, but it's just like a very intimidating amount. Literally like 6,000 lines code right here. Wow. I know I need to come back to this and finish Puyo GG, but life is hard. I wish I had time to work on this full time, but like I don't. Maybe if Sega would hire me or something. Sorry, I'm just checking my phone. Okay, I think I'll just like go to sleep for tonight. It's only 9:41, but I'm tired. I spent all day working on a homework assignment, so then I've got to do Oh, did you guys know Jackbox 6 comes out tomorrow? I'm gonna play that with my family. Yeah. Okay. Alright, for real. I'll just stop for tonight. Work on this tomorrow. So, okay. I think my next goal... Okay, in order for this to really work anyways, I need to learn how to use SQLite. So I guess for my next coding stream, whenever that is, I'm gonna be looking up the SQLite documentation and slowly learning how to like make my own database entries. That'll be kind of boring and very inactive for the next stream, but whatever. It's easier to learn when I have eyes watching me, expecting me to actually produce something. Sometimes when I'm alone at home, like I just like sit around and like read Puyo Twitter and just like look at art instead of like actually working. So this helps me like not procrastinate. Anyways, time to get some rest. Gotta work hard tomorrow. Bye everyone.